Well, corporately, American Vanguard, AMVAC's parent, is a holding company, a global company involved in productive agriculture and in the non-crop specialty sector. Uh, like I said, AMVAC is into agriculture, is globally focused, but we are really moving to be a technology solutions provider. Today, our headquarters is in the U.S. in Newport Beach. And we're building a presence in Canada for North America, but we also have extensive coverage now in Latin America, especially in Mexico, Central America, through our Agri Center distribution business. Then, of course, in the big markets, Brazil and Australia. And we also, in 2020, got a presence through the Agrinos acquisition, which was a biorational company in India, China, and in the Ukraine. So AMVAC has really three key pillars. One, we're still a chemical company, so we like to call that proven chemistries. And what we do there is we try to develop solutions for farmers for mainly resistance issues like, herbicides. And then we have a strong presence since 2020 in precision ag technologies, predominantly SIMPAS, SIMPAS-based solutions, plus SmartBox, plus Ultimus, where we really focus in on variable rate and precision rate soil applications, and then we do traceability through the Ultimus app from factory all the way to farm, as far as the supply chain and the input application into the soil. So we have many product offerings, both row crops, so corn, soybeans, cotton, sugar beets, and we're also a specialty crop company, in the fruits and vegetable area. And then also we have the urban uses where we're like number one in horticulture in the United States, and we're also number one in mosquito control for vector control, mainly working there, the latter one working with FEMA and the government when we have mosquito outbreaks caused by hurricanes. Well, farmers still need access to traditional chemistries. AMVAC extends the life of tried and true products through acquisitions, new formulations, new premixes, etc. Like I mentioned before, we're a technology provider in that space. But farmers are also changed to make really more judicious use of pesticides. So the SIMPAS system is expressly designed for farmers, so farmers can apply only what's prescribed precisely where it's needed. We've also entered the biorational space with 120 solutions globally. So biologicals is mainstreaming and reaching critical mass. AMVAC has built a green solutions business as our third important pillar. We ferment products, and we also do research around plant extracts and microbials. And that's a fast-growing business for us, and we really like it as far as the future trends, as far as from the consumer back to the farmer. So there's been a lot of talk about ag tech. I would think that soil health is probably the biggest growth opportunity for the industry. Soil for the farmer is the most valuable asset and most important asset on his balance sheet. And that's also where traditional chemistries, seed, biologicals, precision ag, nutritionals, and sustainability all intersect in the soil. And that has to be better managed as we go forward as land is limited. Further, as far as ag tech, precision applications is important. A lot of talk has been and money has been spent on data management and data analytics, but at some point that has to be converted to a more pest management programs, prescription applications. And this is mainly because consumers and societies are more environmentally conscious and want more judicious use of synthetic pesticides. And then really farmers only want to pay for the portion of the field which gets applied, and we provide that technology. Then, like I mentioned, I consider biologicals as part of the ag tech. The technology is just improving, um, and because the products are mainstreaming and the science has come along, it's really providing more efficiency and value to farmers today as a replacement or an integrated pest management strategy for farmers. Right. So, I'll come back to precision agricultural applications in the soil. So we've spent probably around, $29-30 million on the SIMPAS application system. Those systems are now in the market, helping farmers do precision applications for crop inputs in furrow, whether they're synthetic, biological, or nutritional. And we're rolling that out into other parts of the world, like Brazil. We're partnering with companies like Trimble, and we see this is the future for soil health, for things like carbon sequestration, traceability, and nitrogen fixation. We spend a tremendous amount of money now today in the R&D of biorationals. We do that on a number of sites in our fermentation plant in Clackamas, our labs there, in Research Triangle Park in North Carolina, where we're really working with plant extracts. We have a bioherbicide coming, which looks very promising, a non-selective one, so that'd be tremendous opportunity to replace some of the synthetics like glyphosate in certain spaces. We have an R&D center in India, which works primarily with microbials, doing life cycle management, producing new solutions for farmers globally. So very focused in that area, growing very fast. We have a great pipeline. And then, of course, we're very good citizen for the industry, like supporting, important ag tech focused initiatives like Meister's Global Ag Tech Alliance, PACE, the Precision Vision Conferences, amongst a few. We really try to support the initiative that's going forward there in the industry. Just to summarize, I think in the coming years, I think you're going to see a growing intersection of precision agriculture and especially the application and biologicals. And this is where we think our SIMPAS applied solution systems really comes to play. Further, we're going to continue to really not be the largest company. We just want quality growth with providing our customers with high-tech solutions.